Okay, cool. What your winter coat slash jacket says about you. Just a quick one. These are all stereotypes. Don't get your feelings hurt. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into this. Okay, cool. So the first jacket we have is a Moncler.
Don't make me get Monclizzy. Don't make me get a Monclizzy.
And I call people that wear this the Moncler menace. For the simple fact that if you own this, you are 100% a scammer. If you wear this coat, you definitely bang more fraud than Conor McGregor banging old people.
How's Noah, huh? Yeah.
They're just sat in an empty hotel room with their Moncler coat on the phone to an old age pensioner pretending to be Barclays Bank, telling them that there's something wrong with their bank card and they need to read out all of their credit card information. And before you know it, poor old Margaret's whole life savings is just vanished. She has to cancel Christmas now, whilst the Moncler menace has just bought himself a new jacket, a trip to Barcelona and a brand new laptop, so we can do the same thing all over again.
Hey, hold on, this shit ain't funny. It ain't funny, but it is.
But real talk, I don't understand how the Moncler jacket is actually drippy. It fully looks like you got a bin bag just wrapped around your body.
Director, zoom in into the badge. Zoom into the thing. The Shane! When I'm on drive-bys, what I'm leaning at the car like this. I'm shooting the Shane and Sully. Are you mad?
Okay, cool. And now we're moving on to the night coat. Okay, so this guy wishes he was a fraudster, but he picked the roads instead, and now he regrets it massively. The streets have got this guy standing on the block all night like a prostitute, just waiting for an old creepy guy to give him some money. And they fully had this coat since they were 18, and I know a lot of you are thinking like 18 ain't too bad, but they are currently 35 now. And best believe they have the iconic armpit rip. That rip is so bad they probably use it as an extra pocket. And people that wear this coat all have the exact same smell, and yes, you guessed it, cannabis and Lynx Africa. Okay, and now we have the Canada Goose. If you own a Canada Goose, you are one of these three people. So the first one is, you're probably a fraudster, but a good kind of fraudster. A fraudster that steals from big companies instead of actual people. Kind of like Robin Hood, but instead of stealing from the rich and giving to the poor, he steals from the rich and gives to himself. Or the second person is, you're probably a successful businessman that is very smart with his money. And nothing bad to say about that, like, you know, respect to you. And now the last person to actually own this jacket is a person that probably can't really afford to own this jacket. This guy fully saved up all of his McDonald's wage money and now he can't eat for a week. Okay, cool. So now we have the North Face coat. And to be fair, I do rate the people that wear these North Face coats, like they're just good civilians. Apart from this one North Face coat, but don't worry, I'm gonna get to that. But North Face coats are a very good choice for actual coats. They're very stylish, very comfy, and they do what coats are made for, which is to keep you warm. And yeah, just all round clean cut coat, and you are very intelligent for buying this coat. However, yeah, there is a big however. If you own this coat, but in the black colorway, yeah. Are you with me now? If you own the big black nupste puffer jacket North Face, yeah, you are a straight up menace to society, yeah. Forget about the Moncler menace, yeah. You are the real menace, yeah. You are the notorious, nasty North Face nupste.
Audience, keep quiet, please.
Well,
10 seconds, Mr. Marsh.
I know it, but I don't think I should say it.
5 seconds, Mr. Marsh.
All right, I'd like to solve the puzzle. Niggers!
What did he say?
Niggers!
That's racist!
Fool this man!
You need to leave!
The fuck you said to me, you little shit!
Okay, cool. Let's talk about something different before we actually get back into the video, because yeah, we need to change subject a little bit here, because yeah, that was a bit too hot, I can't lie. And what a better way to change the subject than introducing you to my new store. Basically, it's just selling clothes, accessories as well. For the moment, it's just t-shirts, but yeah, this is a sort of like overview of the store, and yeah, it's going to be in the description, so check it out. And without further ado, let's get back into the video. Okay, cool. So let's get back on topic. Yeah, if you own this coat, yeah, you cannot be trusted. And if you're watching this and you trust someone with this coat, 9 times out of 10, you probably own this coat as well. And you know how I know you can't trust people that wear this coat? It could be the middle of summer and you ask them, are they hot in this coat? And they'll still say no. bruv, why you lied to me? I know you're hot because I'm fucking hot and I'm wearing a tank top. But real talk, yeah, this coat is so big, you don't even know what's even under it. Like, for real, they could have anything under it. A fucking toaster, a microwave, an iron, fucking another body or something. Like, fully, this coat is gigantuous. But let's be real, we all know what is underneath this coat, yeah? You've probably got a Rambo underneath it, probably an iPhone 20 Max Pro underneath it, and most 100% some sort of cannabis, some sort of, you know, some illegal substances. And you don't want to see this guy walking on road, yeah, because if you see him, you might as well cross the road. Real talk, do yourself a favour, cross that road, keep it moving, head down, earphones in, and fuck me, if you see him in a dark alley, I mean, to be fair, you probably won't be able to see him in a dark alley because it's so dark, but you'd definitely be able to hear him. Like, you'd be able to hear the ruffling of the nupste. But all jokes aside, the black nupste is a goated coat. This was the Moncler before the Moncler was even a Moncler. But yeah, cool. Moving on to the trapstar coat. The infamous trapstar coat. Okay, cool. This coat is so iconic in the English culture now. However, this coat says trapstar and 99.98604% of people do not trap. All they do is get home from work or college or whatever, puff on their vape and watch Top Boy.
Mum, I'm back. When's tea? It better be delicious.
Jump! Break it! Fucking break it!
But people that wear this coat are in love with the back print so much, they'll even take photos facing the wrong way round. They'll probably even walk into a room backwards. They'd even wear this thing back to front if they could. But real talk, if you are enjoying this video, please subscribe. Don't wait until I'm in your recommended list, because one day I won't be there and you'll lose my channel forever. Okay, cool. Now we have the Tommy Hilfiger coat. Okay, so if you own this coat, there is a very, very high chance that you're white and go to private school. Real talk, I haven't met a black guy to own this coat. And if I did, he probably sounds like this black guy.
Would you like a sweetie?
A what?
A sweetie.
I'll take a Smartie.
These are Smarties, indeed. A absolutely stupendous confectionery.
And also, if you own this coat, you definitely own this haircut and these pairs of shoes. And you're definitely the type of guy to spend like 2 hours in a barber shop because you was too shy to speak up when it was your turn. Defo the type of guy to take a girl out on a date, pay for her nails, buy her food, obviously shopping and all of that. And then at the end of the day, drop her to her boyfriend's house, but she told you that it was her friend's house. And yeah, you figured you had a good day and yeah, she just finessed you, bruv.
Women.
But yes lads, I hope you did enjoy this video. I did enjoy making this video a lot, as you can tell. And yeah, please subscribe, comment, leave a like as well. And yeah, until next time, I'm out.